A mechanic HR, people used to say something. The person that usually asks questions does not use to lose. Why? Because if you don't know how to do something, you simply ask questions and you will get the instructions. Now, if you go and buy a new product, right, and you refuse to read the description that is at the back of that product, you're going to make mistake. Because reading the instructional use can save you a lot of headaches, especially around misuse, especially for a product like Hypo Bleach. See. To prevent stories that touch the heart, for example, bleach can damage your clothes. Here are some guidelines on how to use the Hypo Bleach for whitening your white clothes. It's written here, but we tell you. Number 1, dilution. Always make sure that you dilute the Hypo Bleach according to the instructions on the packaging. Usually, it is 75 ml of Hypo in 10 liters of water. And one thing you should never do is put it directly undiluted on the cloth itself. I know that is what you used to do when you braid up, but remember, ask questions. Number 2, if you want to soak the cloths, right, in that bleach solution that you just made, it should not be more than 10 to 15 minutes. Stop leaving your clothes inside the bleach solution overnight. Another thing you should also notice is that it's not every cloth that you use Hypo Bleach on. See, when it comes to cotton clothes, that is what Hypo Bleach is suitable for. So all these things you are using, when you start using it on wool, you start using it on silk, you start using it on leather, you start using it on rubber, you start using it on polypropylene, foam, etc. All these things that is not cotton, it can damage it. So, my dear, pay attention to the kind of fabric you're using it for. And last but not the least, I want you to not forget that cholera outbreak is outside. So, when you want to disinfect surfaces, especially surfaces that people touch, make sure you use Hypo Bleach, right? And then follow Hypo Wipo is on screen now to learn more about how to use the Hypo Bleach for disinfecting and whitening. Look, it's here. It's at the back. Go and read it.